Evaluate the expression 6a plus 2b minus 6c plus 4 if a equals 5, b equals 3, and c equals -1. So when we're evaluating an expression, we're taking the values that the problem tells us and we're substituting them in for the correct variable. So here the problem told us that a is equal to 5. That means everywhere in this expression where we see an a, we need to replace it with the 5. And when we substitute it in, we want to put it in parentheses. Then the problem says b is equal to -3. So everywhere we see a b, we need to replace it with a -3. Oops, sorry, no, a +3. And again, whenever we substitute that +3 in, you need to put it in parentheses. And then c is equal to -1, so everywhere we see a c, we'll substitute in a -1, writing that -1 in parentheses. So when we do this, we get that 6 times 5, because a is equal to 5, plus 2 times 3, because b is equal to 3, minus 6 times -1, because c is equal to -1, plus 4. Because we can't forget about that plus 4 on the end, we need to bring it down. Now we're going to take this expression and we're going to type it exactly like this into Desmos. And when we do that, Desmos will tell us that when we evaluate the expression for a equals 5, b equals 3, and c equals -1, our answer is 46.